Here is how to make videos like this all using Canva. First, you need to head over to Canva. After you enter Canva, inside Canva, you tap video, where it will show start from blank, and you tap the landscape video. Then when you are inside the landscape video, you're going to app and search map a videos and choose the very first one that shows here. And after that it will load. Then you have duration, you can choose anyone. You have map style, you can choose anyone you like. And you have the icon, which I choose this one, and the location. For this location you can choose any country of your liking. Like for me, I will choose Nigeria. Then I will search Nigeria here on the list, and then this Nigeria, and I will leave India as the second country. Then if you want, you can also choose multiple country, like 3 or 4, but I prefer 2. Then you will create video. It will load for less than a minute, and after that you're going to get the video, add it to your design, and after adding it to your design, you are going to make it a full video. After that, then you're going to see how your video look like. This is how it look like, but it's not really good for me like this. So what I'm going to do now is to add a sound. And for me to add a sound, you head over to your sound and search for any sound of your like. For me, I choose this one, and you start the sound you want, and you download your videos. And after that you are done. It will load for a few minutes, and after loading, this is how your video look like.